Imagine stepping through a glowing time gate into the year 2125. You find yourself alone in a massive stadium. The seats are empty, no cheering crowds, no bright lights, only the hum of giant cooling fans overhead. You hold a soccer ball and think, someone must be here, but no one comes to play. Your heart races with excitement, then sinks with confusion. Why are all the spots gone? In this future world, Earth's climate has grown too hot for outdoor games. Temperatures soar above 40 degrees. The sun burns fields to dust. So engineers build giant climate domes to protect players. But these domes use mountains of energy and cost too much to run. Fans stay home instead. They wear virtual reality goggles and push buttons to control robot athletes. These robots never tire, never feel pain, and smash every record. Humans lose interest fast. As sports became bigger than ever, wealthy companies began offering genetic editing. Elite athletes changed their DNA to run faster, jump higher, and heal wounds in out. Natural players struggle to keep up. The line between human and machine vanished. Fans began to doubt if any match could be fair. Then AI referees and robo-limbs took over every team, turning competition into a perfect fake show. The real thrill, the surprise goals, and upset wins vanished forever. Meet Aya, a 13-year-old girl who grew up hearing stories of open fields and cheering fans. All she wants is to score goals under bright lights and hear her name in the crowd. One afternoon, she sneaks into a secret VR sports lab. There, she steps onto a virtual field and faces off against the world champion, a hulking robot with glowing red eyes. Aya sets the ball, runs, and kicks with all her strength. But the robot blocks every shot smoothly and laughs in a cold, metal voice. Aya's heart sinks. She cannot win, not because she is bad, but because this game is no longer for people like her. For decades, people stopped going to real stadiums. Instead, they watched matches on tiny screens from their bedrooms. There were no high fives with friends, no birthday parties after big wins, no school chants echoing in hall. As robots replaced human athletes, everyone began to miss the imperfect moments that make sports fun. The roar of real crowds, the gasp at the last-minute goal. These became ancient legends. In dusty museums, people display old jerseys from the 2020s as relics from a forgotten golden age. Kids like Aya could only read about the excitement of live games. As Aya quietly leaves the lab, she finds an old, dusty soccer ball in a hidden locker. She sits on a crumbling bench outside the dome and holds the ball tight against her chest. She remembers the tales of raw laughter after a winning goal, of muddy shoes sliding across grass under pouring rain, of surprise victories that made every heart pound. Yet in this world of perfect robots, empty seats, and artificial cheers, those memories feel like fairy tales. This is the future of sports, silent, cold, and controlled, a world where real heroes have vanished, leaving only machines playing games